In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable biometric login on the Coinbase app. First, start by opening the Coinbase mobile app and signing into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top corner for your profile icon, or tap the menu button if that's what your device shows. From there, go into Settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences and security features in one place. Inside Settings, tap Security. This section controls how you access your account and helps you add extra protection while keeping logins convenient. Here, look for the option labeled PIN and Face ID or Fingerprint. The exact label depends on your device. Face ID on some phones, Fingerprint on others, but the process is the same. Toggle that setting on to enable biometric login. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your current account PIN. Go ahead and enter it to proceed. If you haven't set up a PIN yet, the app will prompt you to create one first. The PIN acts as a backup in case your device can't read your face or fingerprint, so make it memorable but secure. After confirming, your device may ask you to allow Coinbase to use your biometric data. Approve that permission so the app can authenticate you with your Face ID or fingerprint. If your device hasn't set up biometrics at the system level yet, you'll need to do that in your phone's settings before this option becomes available. By the way, if you need the app, I've placed the official download link right at the top of the description so you can grab it quickly and avoid any lookalike pages. Once enabled, you'll notice faster access the next time you open Coinbase. Instead of typing your password each time, you'll be able to log in using your face or fingerprint. It's a great balance of security and speed, especially if you check your portfolio on the go. If you don't immediately see the biometric toggle, make sure your Coinbase app is up to date and that your device's operating system supports biometric authentication. A quick note for those using the separate Coinbase wallet app: biometric login for that app can be turned on during the initial setup or later from its own security settings. The steps are similar, but keep in mind that Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet are different apps with separate settings. That's it. You've successfully enabled biometric login on the Coinbase app. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to check the link in the description, and thanks for watching.